Good morning, student. On last turn, I gave some questions and their solution for revision of chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometric Ratio. On last turn, I revised the question on trigonometric ratio. Today, I will also give some more questions of trigonometric ratio and trigonometric angle. Let us see the question number 4. In a right triangle ABC, the right angle at B the ratio of AB to AC is 1:2. Find 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So this is a right angle triangle which is right angle at B. AB ratio AC is 1:2, that is x and root 2x. AB is x, AC is root 2x. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is root 2x square, AB is x square, this is BC square, it become 2x square, this is x square plus BC square. 2x square minus x square is equal to BC square, and BC is x root 2. BC is x square and BC is x. Now tan A is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is BC, base is AB, that is x upon x, that is 1. Now 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A, that is 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 square. So 2 upon 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 2, that is 1 is the answer. Now see next question number 5. If 5 tan A is equal to 4, find or show that 5 sin A minus 3 cos A upon 5 sin A plus 2 cos A. We will solve this question by another way. One way is to find the hypotenuse and then find it putting the value. Without finding hypotenuse, we can solve this question also. How we will solve? Divide numerator and denominator by cos A. So it become 5 sin A upon cos A minus 3 cos A upon cos A 5 sin A upon cos A plus 2 cos A upon cos A. This cos A cancel. Sin A upon cos A is tan A. 5 sin A upon cos A is tan A. Value of tan A is 4 upon 5 minus 3. While putting the value of tan A is 4 upon 5. This 5 and 5 cancel it. 4 minus 3, 4 plus 2, that is 1 upon 6. So without finding the hypotenuse, such type of question can be solved by this way. Now I am taking the questions of trigonometric angle. Let us see it. Trigonometric angles. Show that question number 6, 2 cos power 460 degree plus sin power 430 degree minus tan square 60 degree plus cot square 45 degree plus 3 sec square 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 4. Now using trigonometric table, cos 60 degree is what? You will learn this trigonometric table, or either you will form the trigonometric table. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2, sin 30 is also 1 upon 2, and taking power 1 upon 4, taking power 4, tan 60 is root 3, power is 2, cot 45 is 1, power is 2, 3 sec 30 is 2 upon root 3, power 2. 2, 1 power 4 is 1, 2 power 4 is 16, 1, 2 power 4 is 16, 3 plus 1, 3, 2 power 2 is 4, root 3 power 2 is 3. This 3 and 3 cancel, it will be 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 16, that is 2 upon 16. Minus 4 plus 4, this minus 4 plus 4 cancel it, 2 into 2 upon 16, 2 8 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, that is 1 upon 4, proved. See some more question which is very interesting question. They are not in NCERT book, but questions are very important. First part, 2 tan 30, 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3. Find the theta. Find theta. So sin 2 theta is root 3 upon 2. Sin 2 theta is root 3 upon 2 is sin 60 degree. Therefore 2 theta is 60 degree and theta is 60 upon 2, that is equal to 30 degree. Second part, you see it, root 3 tan 2 theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Root 3 tan 2 theta is equal to 3. Tan 2 theta is equal to 3 upon root 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. This root 3 and root 3 cancel it. It is equal to root 3. Root 3 is the value of tan 60 degree. Therefore 2 theta is equal to 60 degree and theta is equal to 30 degree. So these are the questions through which we can find out the value of theta. Next one, eighth question, find the value of x given that sin 3x is equal to cos 45 sin 45 plus sin 30. So putting the value of cos 45 1 upon root 2, sin 45 1 upon root 2, sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So it will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2, 1. Sin 3x is equal to 1. One value is sin 90. Therefore 3x is equal to 90 degree and x is equal to 90 upon 3, that is 30 degree. You will do it this question same way. Sin 2x is equal to sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree. Find x.